The video you've all been waiting for. Emmo Zone compared to the EVOQUE STREETSTER compared to the TAO Leo, right? Isn't this going to answer all the questions that we get all the time? What are the differences? So we got all three of them. They all do the same top speed. 80, 85, 80. They all do the same, but they have different controllers. This is these two are Vodal. This is a far driver, 70 amp, 80 amp, 70 amp. They still all do the same top speed because they're programmed that way. Same size front tires, right? Yeah.
Except for the
Oh, sorry. 17 front, 17, 16. 16 in the back, 17, 17. What wattage are the motors? I don't exactly know, but it doesn't really matter, right? It's not a 500 watt because if it was, these couldn't move, but I don't know what they are. What else? Removable lithium battery. Absolute bonus. But we'll also do a video of why it's not a bonus. Are the parts interchangeable? Yes. All the lights are interchangeable. Actually, these would be too. This one has some different paneling, so not so much. They're the same frame, but they all have different guts. They all have different wiring harnesses. Their breakers are in different spots. Their charging ports are in different spots. All their speedos are different. Can you swap one to the other? No, not really. You can't swap the brakes on a Leo on a Zone. No, you can? Oh, I lied. That's not my role anymore to know all of that stuff. Fuck. So performance-wise, that's why. Which one's better? That's the question I get all the time. Which one's better? If you guys have noticed, TAOs are no longer on our website because over the last couple of years, their quality has gone to absolute shit. It's as a dealer, we sell the bikes, and when there's a problem that the manufacturer had, we have to deal with it. So they make a great bike, but there's been some things over the years that have just come up more, like front brakes, front brake assemblies. We've had to change far too many front brake assemblies on the TAO Leos that we're no longer interested in carrying them because they take too much of Darren's time. And the representation at TAO Motors is absolutely atrocious. We lost our rep there, and to get parts or answer emails, it's a no-go. We need to be supported as a dealer. EVOQUE, fantastic. They answer phone calls right away. Emails are answered within a few hours. They're amazing. Zone, Emmo Zone. I love Emmo as a company. They are growing quite a bit. They sell direct. So supply has been a bit different or a bit difficult, but they make a hella reliable bike. We have almost zero issues with any of Emmo's models. Do you have anything to say?
Nope, pretty much covered it.
No? Well, thank you for just looking cool in my video. Our videos. Exhaust. But I would say, as of right now, June 8th, 2024, we are leaning more towards the EVOQUE because the style it's sexier. It's a nicer looking bike. Like we said, like I'm a fan of the Cobra because I like the front of the lights, but the company, the pricing, the quality, nothing else I like about that but the front lights on them. These both bikes come in a 45 amp hour lead acid, which is really awesome. They're the same price. And as you know, we've done the gauge, the speedo, the gauge on the EVOQUE, the fact that you can connect that to your phone and you can see it, I think that's just amazing. So which one's better? Neither. Between these two for sure. This one sits lower, obviously, so if you're a shorter person like myself, I'm more comfortable on the Emmo Zone, and I think that's enough to buy an Emmo Zone because I feel more comfortable on it based on height. But if you live in a condo, let's say, and you can't charge your battery inside, you have to take out your battery, well then you got to take the EVOQUE STREETSTER. That's just and that's something that we can talk to you about and go through the pros and cons, or you can just put an order online because that's why you watch our videos, to get our opinion. And yeah, if you're watching, of course we want to ship these bikes out to you. Also on that topic, they both ship assembled, like beautiful. This one you have to put on the handlebars, mirrors, windshield. But these ones, the windshield's already on. I think the mirrors are already down. Like there's hardly anybody can do it. Just a little bit of tools. So both of these ship wonderfully. We're shipping to the States. We've always shipped these to the States and all across Canada. But you'll be even happier when you get this one shipped to you because it's even more assembled. So, is the rubber any better on these?
Just different. It's the same rating.
They feel a little. Anyways, yeah. I think that's it. Suspensions. Would you adjust the suspension on there?
I don't know. I'm not sure. I don't.
Darren doesn't like to really screw with the suspension because.
Well, that is. You can adjust the damper on that, but you can't really adjust the height.
Oh, okay.
It's a
Just the
different
damper,
shock.
not the height.
You can change your shock out
A little easier.
If you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why would you get into that?
It's not adjustable for height.
Okay, well,
Change it to a shorter shock if you want to bring that bottom end and that back end down.
okay, that's convenient. Okay, let us know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks always for watching.